We need to protect our world because there's only one.
Compost can do many things to make a big difference.
And we want all the schools in Calgary to start composting. This will be better for the world.
It helps me make friends. If my friends do something wrong, sometimes I can help them out or something like that. So it makes me sometimes feel like a leader.
Being a part of it is great because you get to work as a team.
It's fun to help the earth.
Wildwood School reduces energy and reduces waste by not using the garbage as much, turning off the lights, using solar energy, recycling, and composting.
Composting will help our earth by producing more soil.
We compost so we can make more food.
More vegetables, more plants.
If we didn't have compost and recycling, everything would just get thrown into the landfill.
And eventually the landfill will overcome our city, and when we look up and we look out the window in the morning, all we'll see is garbage.
If you compost and recycle and put less things in the garbage, you can reuse them more, and you can recycle to make more plastic things without using as much oil as it would to make one plastic bottle.
Every Friday we empty 5 bins around the school, and we check each one to see what's actually in there before we can put it in the compost.
If they see a piece of garbage, they will not open it up and take it out. It just goes straight to the landfill, and it gets packed down so it cannot turn back into dirt.
We go to each classroom and we take the recycling and we look through it to make sure there's nothing that can't go in there.
The things we're able to recycle at our school are like cardboard, paper, pop cans, juice boxes without the straw.
Yes, juice boxes like this, we can't actually put them in here. We have to take off the lid and take off all the plastic. Then it would be like really sticky from the inside, so you'd have to try and rinse it out, because if it's not rinsed out and if it still has the plastic on, then we can't really put it in there, so it would have to go in the garbage.
Being part of the Compost Crew means a lot.
I have a child in grade 6 at Wildwood Elementary. Our kids are just amazing. They get this. It's second nature to them now.
In the last year, we composted 77,603 pounds of compost. Previous year, we composted 48,464 pounds of compost. So it's a big increase from the previous years.
We have an Earth Day assembly every year to tell people what we do at Wildwood.
I help people to know where the compost goes. If their garbage goes in the garbage, or if the compost goes in the compost bin.
And you always want to remind each other to put everything in the right place.
Every year, one of the grades plants vegetables or vegetable seeds in the garden in the Wildwoods, and then they harvest it every fall. The community gardeners will help our kids understand about how the planting process works, so everybody's involved, and it's all about volunteering and giving back and making your space in the environment a better place.
So last year, we were given an award for diverting 84% of its waste. And as a community, we also bought back some of our compost that was turned into dirt. So the Wildwood families bought most of the compost back. Now they're using it in their gardens.
As a parent, I think that this is a really important initiative, not just for today, but for tomorrow. Participating and feeling a sense of belonging within the school environment, and that they're all collectively working towards one main goal. But as they grow and mature and become the citizens of tomorrow, how they give back, how they take care of our world, take care of our planet, and prepare it for the next generation.